Okay, I got my new sector arms put in. It wasn't quite as easy as I thought it was. The top part didn't go back down on the tractor real easy over the new sector arms because they didn't mic out the same. The sector arms were a little bit different than the originals. So what I had to do is that I had to sand down this portion right here so that it mic'd out the same. And instead of buying new thrust washers to make this thickness different, what I did was I just took it. I only needed to take like a 1/16 or a half a millimeter off. It was that little of a difference. So what I did was I just sanded this side down, took a little bit off this side and took a little bit off the other side of the brand new sector arms and put it back together, and the top went right down on it. So that's a heads up for you guys. So I hope you guys have good luck if you're putting your sector arm, new sector arms, replacing your sector arms. This is Ron Tron signing out.